What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can delete your VidIQ account. Also, if you're looking for a VidIQ alternative to help you out with your YouTube stuff, I will leave a TubeBuddy sign-up link in the description below, which is a similar tool to VidIQ, but in my opinion a bit better and also cheaper. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you open up your VidIQ account, you will be on your dashboard right here. So from your dashboard, go to the upper right corner on your profile icon and select the account settings right here. In the settings menu, go over to the Manage Plan tab right here. So before you delete your VidIQ account, you need to be sure that you don't have any active paid subscriptions. And this is the tab on which you can manage your subscription, aka your VidIQ plan. If you want to know how to cancel your VidIQ plan in a bit more detail, I will leave that video in the upper right corner. So once you cancel your paid plan, you can go back to your dashboard. So because VidIQ doesn't have a direct way to delete your account from your side, you would need to contact their support to help you out with that. So go over to this little blue circle right here and click Send us a message. So of course at first you will just talk to an AI bot, but you need to go through the bot to get to a real person so you can ask them to delete your account. You can do that by clicking My Account right here. Then wait for the bot to respond. Now just type I want to delete my account. Once you send that message into chat, the bot will respond that they need to do that manually, so delete your account manually, and that you also need to cancel your paid subscription if you have one, which we did a few moments before. And the most crucial part, the bot asks you to confirm that you would like to delete your account under the email that you have provided to them. So if you would like to continue, just type I confirm that I would like to delete my VidIQ account. After you send that message, the bot will transfer you over to a real person, which will delete your VidIQ account. Again, if you would like to use a VidIQ alternative, which is better and cheaper, I will leave my TubeBuddy sign-up link in the description below. So that's how you delete your VidIQ account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.